What's the meaning of confessor? Confessor. Confessor.
Confessor. Confessor. A confessor is typically a religious figure who hears and receives confession from someone seeking spiritual guidance or absolution of sins. The term can also refer to a person who admits or confesses to their own wrongdoing or guilt, often in a public or formal setting. Confessors are seen as trusted individuals who offer support and forgiveness to those who seek it, while also promoting honesty and self-reflection. Overall, a confessor plays an important role in both religious and secular contexts by facilitating emotional and moral growth for those in need.